You live with a purpose when you cannot wait to wake up tomorrow, when your day starts with birds singing and with the sunrise, when you're capable of love without asking anything in return, when you see your child grows and becomes a unique individual with high values, when you have dreams and work hard every day to make your dreams come true, when you enjoy the journey and people you meet along the way and learn from them, when you can sit alone for hours after a long stressful day and just listen different sounds of nature. The earth has music for those who listen. William Shakespeare.